Hi, this is Sharon Wilson-Janot, the Chief Operating Officer of Volunteers of America National Services. Our organization has done amazing work over these last several weeks during very difficult times. But no one has stepped up to the plate more than our incredible healthcare workers. We are in awe of the work you have done, your commitment to each other, the residents we serve, and the communities that we serve. So because it's Nurses Week, we wanted to honor our nurses and all of our healthcare workers in a very special way this year. We could think of no other way to honor our brave heroes than to have a parade in your honor. I hope you enjoy.
Hi everybody, I'm Tish McCricky from the National Office Development Department. This is my daughter Haley, and we have a little message for our VOA field healthcare workers. Take it away, Haley.
Woo, thank you. Though the COVID crisis is here, I have no fear today, because I see the faithful service of the healthcare team of VOA. We are grateful for their bravery. They fight frontline in every way. Their hard work brings hope to us, and their strength keeps us going every day. We just want to take the time to say thank you for the work you do. God send grace, give hope a place on every face of those you serve. Every storm runs out of rain, and COVID will do the same. When we get there together, we'll never forget your courage through the bad weather. Hey.
Hey, it's Vincent Bryant, the facility manager here at the National Office of Volunteers of America. I just wanted to take a moment and give a big shout out to all of our healthcare workers. Thank you so very much for the sacrifices that you're making. We really appreciate you. You're the true heroes. We couldn't make it without you, and we thank you so much. Just want you to know that we're praying for you, and we really, really appreciate you and all the work and the sacrifices that you're making. Thank you so much. God bless you.